So a lot happier now with that hive gate removed. They can get out and do what they're doing. Cleaning up out the front on the landing board. The other one seems to be okay. Well, there's not much coming out over there. There's a few bees. They're a lot quieter. The other hive's got plenty of stores. This one doesn't. That's why these are busy. Only a few bees coming out of the other hive at the moment. Okay, since fixing up the beehive, looks like they're now doing orientation flights. So hopefully they'll be all good. They're a bit noisy obviously because they're being stuck in the hive. It was full of water. It's not really funny, but it's really a shame, but they're out now and they're having a great time. Hopefully I won't get stung because I'm not suited up at the moment. Thought I'd come back down and see if I can get some of this on film. Certainly busy. So with a bit of luck, everything going well, I either have a virgin queen who's hopefully out now, flying around doing a thing, and hopefully you can see that in the video, all the bees that are flying around doing the orientation flights. It was like a big whirlwind before, the number of bees. They are certainly busy. A bit of a break in the weather. So next time I come over, I'll change the base over to a screen bottom board, which will stop the water problem. I don't know if I'll put the hive gate back in that one. I think I might leave it without and just see how it goes. Difference between the two hives, one with and one without. I've got the two different coloured roofs, so not that the bees probably can really see the colours up too close, except one looks brighter than the other now because it's newer. But now we've got a little bit of brood in that new hive. Hopefully they'll either make a new queen, or if the queen was able to get out now, she's gone for a mating flight, as I said. This hive's just doing its thing. This hive has heaps of honey and pollen stores, so they'll be fine. We've got a couple of good frames of capped brood, so they're doing their thing. And the other hive I think will build up rather quickly now because they've got lots of frames that are open. So obviously all the bees have hatched and now they can get in and out. They'll forage and do their thing. So either next weekend or the weekend after we'll come over, and hopefully we'll now have a new queen in my new hive, and hopefully she's laying, and we'll go through both again. Anyway, I better head off because I believe we're all waiting to go now. They're all up at the car waiting for me. I thought I'd get a quick look at what's going on. So yeah, plenty of things happening. So this is awesome now that they're recovered. I feel a lot happier now. Now I know that they're all happy and healthy and good. Alright, till next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.